Ready to kickstart your academic adventure in Sheffield? Look no further than LIV Student Sheffield, a stellar abode where luxury meets comfort. Offering a range of cozy en-suites and modern studios, the stellar abode features a cozy bed, ample storage, and a study desk, helping you conveniently chase all your academic goals. Need some fresh air? Head to the rooftop terrace. For those extra chilly days, central heating keeps you warm. Enjoy movies and games in the media room and stay in the best of shape with the on-site gym. Conveniently situated near Sheffield Hallam University, Collegiate Campus, and the University of Sheffield, LIV Student Sheffield is a much sought-after student housing option. For weekend fun, visit the Sheaf Island, JD Weatherspoon, or walk up to the Pink Tree restaurant. Whether you need groceries or essentials, Aldi Grocery Store and Marks & Spencer Supermarket are just around the corner. Plus, Moore Street Bus Stop is situated just outside the apartment, making commuting a breeze. So are you ready to experience the vibrant lifestyle of Sheffield? If yes, head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at LIV Student Sheffield today.